In this video, I will show you how to use Font Awesome icons in HTML. I have open live server so you can see changes right away. Firstly, we will go to Google and search for Font Awesome. I will go in Font Awesome site, find installation instructions. In instruction, Font Awesome want me to register to download file, but then I prefer just to find DNS and link it what way. So I will just search for Font Awesome DNS and click on first link, and we'll copy DNS link with already in tag. Now I will paste it in head tag in HTML. DNS is just linked to Font Awesome CSS and JavaScript files. By using it, I don't need to download them into my machine. I can just simply use it from internet. So, let's copy some Font Awesome icons and let's use them in body tag. As we can see, icons are working. And if we will comment out our DNS link, then they won't be working. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.